Hey, my name is Adrian Faz, and today I'll be presenting my Swift Student Challenge submission for this year, 2025, which is called the International Chicken Airport, and it is basically an experience in which users can learn about natural language processing with a fun story about chickens in an airport. And basically, the story begins when Captain Clock introduces himself. He's the leader of the International Chicken Airport, and he explains that there is a problem in the airport right now, which is that the announcement system is completely down, the welcome desk is not working, and the airport is in chaos. So chickens do not know what to do, and they need an automated solution right now. This is why also that Captain Clock introduces the user to natural language processing and explains that they want to build a machine that uses NLP to help the chickens solve their problems and their doubts. But the user will need to also understand about NLP and go through different missions in different places of the airport. The processes such as tokenization, lemmatization, parts of speech, and sentiment analysis, which are fundamental of natural language processing. For example, in the first mission, which is about tokenization, the user can see like a small explanation of it, why is it important, and then in this case, for example, complete a small mission, which is there's this sentence that the user has to tokenize by simply clicking this egg and hatching it. As we can see now, the sentence is tokenized. It was broken into its parts, right? Then for the second mission, which is lemmatization, and it is the process of reducing words to their base or dictionary form. The same, there's an explanation, and then the user has to find, in this case, the base word of these three words that are variations of this same word that the user needs to look. In this case, flew, flying, and had flown. The base word in this case is fly. Going now to the third mission, which is about parts of speech, one of the most important sections of natural language processing. The user here needs to categorize and drag the words to the corresponding category. For example, chicken is a noun, small is an adjective, fly, quickly is an adverb, passport a noun, and arrive is a verb. So basically the objective is that the user simulates some of the processes that happen behind these AI systems that we talk every day in our daily lives. So to simulate these processes. Lastly, the last mission is about sentiment analysis, and the user simply has to categorize some messages or reviews that some chicken users have left in the airport, and they have to categorize them in positive or negative, depending on the tone when they are reading them. For example, positive, negative, negative, and positive. And that's it. Fourth mission is complete. And lastly, after the user completes the 4 missions, he can see like the final result, which in this case is the new chicken AI airport assistance, which is basically like a chicken robot that will be helping all of the chickens in their doubts and their problems, and the peace will come back to the airport. So that would be basically all. There's a small section as well that is to test the machine of the user, in which the user can see how does it work specifically in the parts of speech part. So for example, if I write this sentence, I am super excited to be working on the Swift Student Challenge this year, and we test it, we can see that the program basically turns the words into the part, identifies the words into the parts of speech corresponding to each word. And this was made also with the natural language framework from Apple. So this would be all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the experience as much as I did creating it. Thank you so much.